You can customize the Jumbotron by adding your own videos, logos, placards, etc. In order to do this, you will need to transfer files using a USB drive. There are two different ways to transfer your files. Let's walk through both methods now. The first method is done through the maintenance menu in the FlavorBurst app. Press and hold in the upper left corner of the screen to access the maintenance menu. In the left side panel under Multimedia Files Setup, select Transfer Files to Jumbotron. At the top of the screen, you will see the USB status. If there is no USB drive connected to the Jumbotron, it should say Disconnected. Insert a USB drive into the USB slot on the bottom of the Jumbotron. Press the Refresh button. If the USB status now says Connected, your Jumbotron is now reading the USB drive and you can transfer files. It is possible the Jumbotron still won't find your USB drive. In this case, keep the USB drive inserted into the port and reboot your Jumbotron. Now go back to the FlavorBurst app and enter the maintenance menu. Go back to the Transfer Files to your Jumbotron section. If the Jumbotron is still not reading your drive, you can manually transfer the files to the Jumbotron. We will walk through manually adding the files later in this tutorial. If your Jumbotron did recognize the USB drive, we can now start transferring files. There are three main types of files we can transfer. First is a background, video, or image file. This is the graphic or video in the background of the main screen on the touch panel. As you can see here, the background is set to play Flavor Videos. You can set this background to either videos, an image, or a solid color. Watch the Multimedia Options tutorial to learn how to select these. If you would like to import your own background image, just select the Choose Videos Images button next to Load Background Video or Image. Your USB file should now be available. Once you select your background video, it should be automatically placed in the background folder. Let's try to select it now. Go to Multimedia Options, select Display Video, press Launch Video Manager, press Add Video, and check your Backgrounds folder for the video you just uploaded. The second type of file you can upload is the placard image file. The placards are what tell the user what bases you are using in your FCB unit. It is best to have the image size at 900 by 300 pixels for the placard images. There are several placards already available on the touch panel, but you can also upload your own. Press the Choose Image button next to Load Placard Image and select your image. To display the newly imported image, go to Design Placards, select Choose New Image underneath the placard you would like to replace. The placard you just uploaded should be in the Placards folder. The third type of file you can upload is the app update for the FlavorBurst app. Occasionally, the app will be updated to a new version with bug fixes or new features. Contact FlavorBurst Company to find out if you have the latest version of the app. When you have an update on your USB drive, just select Choose Update File next to Update Jumbotron. Find your file and select it. The app files are typically in APK format. Let's say for some reason your Jumbotron could not find your USB drive in the Transferring Files menu. There is another way to transfer files directly to your Jumbotron manually. First, make sure your USB drive is inserted into the USB port. Exit the FlavorBurst app and press the app button that looks like a domino. Open up the Ultra Explorer app. Press the Home button and scroll down until you find the USB to host file. The files on your USB drive should appear. Let's say we are uploading a background. Press and hold down on the background you want to transfer to the Jumbotron. I'm going to transfer a video. A pop-up should appear. If an extra pop-up appears asking you which flavor player to use, press outside the extra pop-up to only show the original pop-up. Press the Copy button. A red clipboard button will appear in the lower left corner. press the Home button again. Scroll down and open the SD card or SD card 0 folder. You can paste the video in either the Backgrounds or Videos folder. Since this is a video, I will put it in the Videos folder. For a still image, you may want to put the image in the Backgrounds folder. Since I am uploading a video, I will put it in the Video folder. I will scroll down and find the Videos folder and open it. Now I will paste the file into the folder by pressing the red button in the lower left corner. Next, I will go back to the home screen and open the Flavor Burst app. Enter the Maintenance menu by pressing the upper left, scroll down to Multimedia Options, make sure Display Video is selected, and press Launch Video Manager. Press Add Video, open the Videos folder and find your video. If you uploaded a file to the Backgrounds folder, you will need to look in the Backgrounds folder. We will test our video now. Press the arrow button on the left to move the video up in the order. I will move it all the way to the top. Press Apply Changes and then exit the Maintenance menu. Now the video I just uploaded is playing. If you are trying to upload a placard, you will follow the same process, but copy the file to the Placards folder instead of the Videos or Backgrounds folder. Now when you go to the Design Placards menu and you press Choose New Image, your image should be in the Placards folder.